So this is my house in Bloxburg, okay. So we have here some dirty trash, okay. We have this dirty trash, then we have this mailbox, then we have here some 2 trees, then we have here some, I don't know what's this, I forgot it. We have here some light, some plant, another plant right there. Oh, sorry. Then have here some cute wall for me, and we have here some cute door. Why is not lock for guests? I need to lock this for guests. Okay, so let's lock all for the guests. Okay, so let's lock all for the guests. Lock for guests. Okay, so this is the first one. We have here some switch, a lot of lights. We have here some pink chairs and 2 hot dogs, and we have a vegetable soup. We have here some curtains, really nice. Then we have here some storage or cabinet like that. So we have here some plates, some bowl there. Then we have here some lights. We have this light. Then we have here some stove, some tables, some food. Let's view it. Okay. What's this? I don't know. But anyways, we have that. Then we have here some TV, some tables, some rugs, some lights, some lamps, some books, some sofa. We have that. Then we have here of my bedroom, in my bedroom, I thought. So, I think super loud. I'm so sorry guys. Shopee always. We have here some books, some drawers, some pictures, what's this? Some books again. Oh my goodness. Then we have here some bed, some window. Then we have here some lamp. Then we have here some table and a pinkish, super pink I thought for me. It's super duper pink, but little. I like little bit pink. Let's close them. Then let's go at the bathroom. We have your pink door. In my bedroom too, we have the pink door. And then we have here some toilet, some paper towel. I thought, whatever. Anyways, we have here some paper towels, some sink. We can do here some to wash our hands, brush our teeth, take glass of water. Then we can use the toilet, of course. And look at this. See? And let's go at the shower, pink shower. Ooh, so cold. It's still good. Then turn off the light. Then let's open the door. Then that's all in my home. Wanna go out? Let's turn off all the lights first. I said turn it off. Let's just open. And close that, okay? It's time to close that. Oh my goodness. Turn it off. Turning it off, it's super duper crazy. Okay, so that's all in my home. How's this? Let's look it again. You wanna look again? Here we are. Here's my home. Woohoo! Thank you for watching. Bye.